Hello guys, today we're going to talk about rollback rule process under the Workforce Manager role. So this process is going to help you if you already have business rules running in the background with some specific programs. And we know that some of the rules we have actually they can include different versions. So with this process, you will be able to switch from one version to another one, and it's going to be really easy. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the Workforce Manager role, then go to the rule management, and then at the bottom you will find this option that it says rollback rule. As soon as we get this, we'll need to keep in mind and select the correct LOB and then the program name. So now let's select Workflex Demo in this case. Then we just need to click under the View rule. So what the system is going to do with this is that it's going to show us the entire list of all the business rules that are associated with this specific program and also running in the background in this case, basically the rules that we have deployed. So let me scroll down and I'm going to show you one rule with different versions. There you go, we have one here. So this is how it's going to look. The first thing that you will have here, it will be the name of the program, the group name if we have any group name, and the name of the rule. Now under this, it will show you the different versions. So version 1, 2, and 3. And next to it, it will give you a short description of those versions. So you can check in here what will be the difference between those different or three versions we have in this case. Then under the status option, we can identify which one is the version that it's running in this case. So as you can see, the actual one, it's the version 2. That's the one that is running. Also, that's the reason why under the next column, which is the action part, we don't have any active rule option or button here. So we can actually swap from each one of those versions. How are we going to do that? It's really easy, guys. So we just need to go here under the version 1 or version 3, click on this option that it says active the rule, and there you go. As you can notice, now the system is letting us know rollback rule successfully complete. We just need to click on OK, and now we can go and search for that rule, and it's going to show us the version that we just select. So as you can see right now, the one that is running with this program, it's the version 3. The previous one, it was version 2. Now we just change it. This is basically, guys, how it works, this part. And if you want to go back to the previous screen, and if you need to change from one program to another one, so if you scroll down at the bottom, you will have this back option. So if we click on this one, the system is going to take us back to the main rollback rule page. So this is how it works.